I'm going to show you how to back up an old course and restore it into your new course. Let's say that EX100 is my new course and Math 99 is my old course. Within Math 99, the first thing I'm going to do is scroll down and click on Backup in the administration block. So here's the administration block, and look for Backup. Click Backup. The only thing I need to do here is uncheck Include Enrolled Users. Scroll down and click Next. On the next page, you have a list of everything that you're backing up. So if there's anything you don't want included here, you can uncheck it. Like if I don't want week 8, or I don't want some of these exams at the end of the course, I can uncheck those. If you don't uncheck anything in here, you'll have another chance to uncheck them later. Go ahead and click Next. And on the next page, just confirm what you've checked or unchecked, and that you're backing up the information you want backed up. Scroll to the bottom and click Perform Backup. And once you see this green message here, click Continue. Okay, you'll see your backup files under the User Private Backup area, and those are going to be there regardless of which of your classes you're in. So we're going to go into the new course, and we'll restore the content from the old course into this course. So to do that, we're going to scroll down and find the administration block again. In the administration block, click Restore, and look for that User Private Backup area. If you've only restored one class, you may have multiple versions of backup files, and if you know that you restored one today, you can look for that version. So I know I restored one just a few minutes ago, so I'm going to choose this one. Click Restore. Scroll down, and we're going to see everything that's going to be restored to the new class. Click Continue. You can either merge the backup with what already exists in the new class, or you can delete the contents in the new class and replace it all with the old course content. So that's what we're going to do. Click Continue. On this next page, if things look good, you can click Next. You can also uncheck a couple of things here, like if you don't want to include your previous calendar events, you can uncheck that. Click Next. We don't want to overwrite course configuration, so we don't want to replace this course short name or title with the course short name or title from the math class. We do want to keep anybody that's currently enrolled in the EX100 class. So we're going to choose Yes. And then below that, you can see everything that's going to come into your class, and you have another opportunity to uncheck some things if you don't want them to come in. I'm going to uncheck another week and a couple more exams, and we can click Next. Scroll down. Again, this just confirms what you're bringing in, and click Perform Restore. Once the course has been successfully restored, click Continue, and that's it.